Pala ako nakapag-vlog ng ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog. Wait lang. May challenge ngayon ako, guys. Pag tumawa kayo, eliminate, mag-i-scroll kayo, pag tumawa kayo, guys, magsusubscribe kayo. At pag walang tumawa, magla-like naman. So, simulan na natin to. Akan, guys. Pag nabangga ako dito, guys, bawal tumawa. Ako lang pwede tumawa, guys. Tara. Wa. Ate. Akala mo parang pera. Ba't ka ba lumalabas? Ano kailangan mo? O tingnan mo, lumalabas ka tapos wala ka naman pala pera din. Ay, gaga. Gagi ka, ha? Mamang pulis! Pairam po ng sasakyan. Nabangga ko. Umitin natin ito.
War, it's all about dreams. Thrash metal used to be a force to be reckoned with on the airwaves until a combination of oversaturation.
Ano tayo, ninja?
Next big thing forced new artists to expand their horizons. You could say that it all went the way of fun.
Yang. Hoy, umalis kang truck ka dyan, yung motor ko. Alis dyan. Alis ka, pupukpukin ko yung, yung sasakyan mo. Daan, kung hindi, sasapakin kita. Aba, bullshit na yan. Akala nyo, babanggain kayo, eh. Tumayo muna kasi kayo. Hoy. Aray ko! Ginagawa mo. Aray ko. Ay. Pwede ba tayo ng banana dito? Ay, pwede. Pasok tayo. Wow! Aray ko. Ay, gaga. Aray ko. Namatay. Okay lang naman eh. Rumarampa kasi. What is that? Oh my God, gagi ka. Gagi ninja. Ninja world to. Akbo na natin to. Tatakbo ko na to, guys. Pagkabangga ko, tingnan mo, game over to. Wow! Easy peasy. Mali lang pala. Pag-work, dapat tumatahol, diba? Ikot na yan, pinagbabaril na ako. Aray ko, wag. Aray ko. Oh my God, kung kailan lang ako nakakita ng ninja, kasi ako namatay. Nagkaroon na naman ng bagong mawaalin. Sige ko na yan ko. buhay ko pare di takas.
Fantastic country.
Lang, alam mo matandang urat.
Not disappointed. America has provided you so I say hooray to America and hooray to Charlotte. Let's have a second. You silly Yankees call life in America. Well, there is lots of French baguette, a little piece of Paris,
Yung stick na yan.
and the French baguette. The croissants are always fresh. The coffee is always pressed, and our slot machines surrender their head because there are troops in the Battle of France. Forget the banknote. Come for the creme brulee. Stay for the unlimited escargot. So, what are you waiting for? Try la merde derrière. The French baguette. We are waiting for you. This is 1914 the Cook Factory. The Rock lost his back machine by nostalgia.
Ito ka yan, Pamela Wang. Hindi ka mahal. Pamela Wang. Pamela Wang. Wala. Namamatay palagi. Sabog na sabog. Tayo dito. Ako sabi ko lang nga. Geng, geng, geng. Wait lang, nakyak ko guys. Geng, geng.
Alright, you Vegas cockholes. I've got a special guest today. Living legend Spike Pecker, lead singer of the band Restraining Order. Their album Naked Sexual Expression was everywhere in the summer of '88, and now he's here in our studio. How you doing, Spike? This morning.
Bakit ka na? Ay! Pwede ba tumabi po kayo?
Don't worry about it. No matter what the problem, we'll clean it up like it was never there. Guaranteed. Forget about it.
Ang galing.
Just give us a call and a couple of fellas will drop by. Bada bing, bada boom.
Gang,
Good to go.
gang, gang,
On the
gang.
spot and out of your hair in no time. And every price is so low, you can't refuse.
Vito, he's your man. If he can cover it up, nobody can.
Uncle Vito's Carpets and Cleaning. You didn't see nothing.
Ako na i-park. Yan.
is with brake fluid. Everybody knows that. Just pour it all over the thing. Douse it out. Respectfully, Arnie, I disagree. There's a better course.
Ayun, namatay. Ay, nakakaraos din.
Record-breaking Zap, get on down to my
Wala
own
akong
web track. When I saw her across the room, I just knew
Ay, ito
this is
nabangga.
I want to spend the next 7 months of my life with. Thanks to
Aray!
Speedy, we were
Aray! 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 Aray ko! Aray ko! Aray ko!
Good hard that I wanted to take back to my room and ride like a stallion, but he told me he was waiting for marriage. Speedy's help back when he didn't last.
Aray ko! Masakit ah. Uy!
As of next. Apparently, they're building this spot by a large real estate conglomerate. Plans on putting in another big chain coffee shop.
Aray ko, masakit. Geng, geng. Ay, naku. Ay, nakapala. Geng, geng. Ay, geng, geng. Ang aray ko, gong, gong. Gong, gong. Gong, gong, gong. Gong, gong. Wala. Wala na akong pera. Gong, gong ata yan. Nagugung-gung.
But the music never gets old.
1014
Good classic. Hand me a pill.
The coffee is always pressed, and our slot machine cylinders are pay out quicker than our tubes using Battle of Worlds.
Geng, geng, geng.
Classic kind.
Aray ko, aray ko, aray ko, aray ko, aray ko. Aray ko.
What are you waiting for? Drag your
Geng, aray ko.
left lunch bag at it. You're awake. Order.
Geng, 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 geng. Ayan, ayan, kaka. Buka, buka, kaka. Oy. Oy. Sino na ba ang tumawag sa inyo dyan? Aray ko, masakit ang ulo ko. Ulo ko ang sakit.
You're on the night. What's happening?
Yo, I call it half what happened at Thrasher.
Aray.
Everywhere, everyone
Ano ba?
That's one viewpoint. But I think it's more complicated than that. I guess at its core, it's all about trends.
Ah, babarlin ko yan.
Combination of oversaturation. Next big thing, force new artists to expand. Say that it all
Lah.
the way in Vogue or prog rock. It's all about the free market, right?
Aray ko. Sakit ah. Bubugbugin kita dyan sa loob ng sasakyan mo. Pabugbog ka talaga sa akin. Ding, 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 ding. Oy, aray ko, masakit. Ding, ding. Dun, dun. Aray. Aray ko ha. Aray ko, sumakit ang ulo ko.
Make it bleed. You're in Pocket's playground now.
Masakit yun ha. Masakit yun, aray. Hoy, yung ginagawa mo. Bakit ako utas na to eh. Geng. Hoy, geng, geng, geng. My father. Aray. Lagi mafia. Gusto ko pa mabuhay. Ayoko pang mamaray. Tara, yung buhay ko. Bakit? Ha? Ha? Lang play. Pero loko yan ah. Lah. Mafia yan. Mafia yan. Oh guys, ito na tatapos ang video and bye-bye.